again. So a couple of days ago I decided it would be a good idea to decorate my fridge. And to be fair, it's not looking too bad. So today I'm going to show you the process, see how far I get, and this is going to be my journey. So let's get to it. Completed the first bit of the fridge. I'm very happy with it, I'm not gonna lie, but I've run out of stickers, so I have to continue at a later date when I can get more stickers. But yeah, I'll keep posted, and I will keep uploading videos of the little journey. I don't think it'll be the only thing I customise, because I'm actually really enjoying this. But yeah, comment what you want me to customise next and I'll see if I can do it for you.